Home Remedies presents. Use this recipe to prevent hair loss and grow long hair. You will thank me later. Hair loss is one of the most common hair-related complaints in the world. Almost 50% of the global population is suffering from excessive hair fall. When you lose hair much faster than your scalp can regrow them, it can result in hair thinning, receding hairline, and bald patches. Environmental pollutants, genetics, poor diet, and hair products containing harsh chemicals all contribute to this phenomenon. Cloves are the dry buds of the flowers of the evergreen clove tree. Cloves are made after drying up clove buds, which takes 9 years of time to grow. You can get more clove benefits from its oil. Clove oil can help prevent excessive hair loss by strengthening your hair shafts and promoting growth of new hair. In today's recipe, that is the main ingredient. Ingredients. Are you liking the video? If yes, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to support it. Moringa oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Clove oil 4 drops. How to use. Mix 2 to 3 tablespoons of moringa oil and 4 drops of clove oil. Massage this mixture onto your scalp and leave it for 45 minutes. Wash it off with water and a mild shampoo. Within a week time, you will be surprised with the results. For the ingredients, you can also make your own clove oil and moringa oil at home. The link of the videos is given in the description. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.